What's up, guys? We got a Ford Mustang here. This is an EcoBoost. It's making some type of noise. It's coming under the hood. I checked it out. I want you guys to see it. This is a EcoBoost 4-cylinder turbo powered 2.3 liter. Okay, I do got the part here. I'm gonna show you guys the part number, and we're gonna do a full video on this. So the noise is coming from right here, this pulley. You guys can see literally this pulley is about to break off. Okay, so simple little repair. I want to start the car, but we do got the part here from Ford. This is original. Come on, box. So this is the way it comes. It's a 10 millimeter here. The pulley comes with everything that you need here, the bolt and everything. So the part number here is this is a Motorcraft. This is some numbers that you guys are gonna probably most likely need. You go pause the video and take a look at it. So it is about like $30 part, and we're gonna need a 10 millimeter, and I believe this is probably a 15 millimeter. This tensioner will yank it and remove the pulley, but let's listen to it. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna start the car and listen to the noise. So there's a zzz, bearing type of noise. It's coming straight from here. It's kind of screeching. We're gonna change it now, and then we're gonna start up the car again. I'm not sure if my camera will pick up, but let's see how that goes. So let me get the tools. Okay, fixing myself there. So we do got the tool. We got 3/8 ratchet here, 3x8. We got a 15 millimeter deep socket, and we got a 10 millimeter socket. So that's all 3 tools here. I'm gonna set up my camera right here, and we'll do this within about 10 minutes. So this should be very simple. So I'm gonna take my 15 millimeter, put it onto my ratchet, and we're gonna go counterclockwise, meaning pull up that way. The belt should be loose, and the belt should just freaking come off. We'll just take it off this water pump here, and then we'll just release this. That's how simple that is, okay? And now we're gonna take the 10 millimeter socket. I'm gonna put it onto that. Same thing, counterclockwise. Okay, lefty loosey. Whoop, where are you going, mister? Oh, there goes the camera. Everything just out of the way. Okay, let's just put this right here. That's more like it. That's not more like it. It's kind of, there you go. It's gonna slip again. See, I knew it was gonna slip again. So this camera is the problem. Okay, that's better. So what I'm gonna do here is, it's not loose yet. It is loose, but it's not gonna turn by hand. I might use a socket on it. There you go. Very simple and easy. I'm gonna spin this pulley. You can hear the noise already. Even while it's on it, you hear that? It has that noise. So definitely, this baby is bad. So I do not have a torque spec, so you do not want to snap this bolt, so go easy on it. Gonna take the new one here. I'm gonna align it. Yeah, I'm on an angle where I'm on the way of, if I be the proper way, I'll be in front of the camera. So this goes on next. Okay, my lighting could have been a little better, but it's fine. So I'm gonna get this baby all the way in, and then I'm gonna just snug it with my tool very lightly. If anybody got torque specs, you guys can put it down below for the other people in the comments, so everybody can have it. So I'm gonna hand tighten this simply. That's about it. Okay, nothing crazy. Now I gotta make sure my belt is good on each pulley, and same thing, we're gonna yank the tensioner next. Okay, and then we'll slip the belt on to the water pump, onto the water pump pretty much. But make sure the belt is good everywhere. Okay, over here it doesn't seem to be good. Okay, it's off the alternator, so it's giving me trouble. So just make sure your pulley is, your belt is good on each pulley. So that's good there, that's good there. On the alternator is perfect. Crank pulley, I'm gonna just put my hand underneath the crank pulley just to feel it. Okay, that looks good. So anyways, we're gonna start this car up next and listen to the noise. So again, here's the pulley that was making the noise. I'm not sure if I can spin it with one hand here. It's done. This thing is shot. It wants to stop. If this thing stops, your alternator, you know what? Let's go down there just to show you guys everything. The pulley, the belt on each pulley should be perfect. Alternator should be perfect. The crank pulley is kind of a little tricky, and all you're gonna do is put your hands around it so it looks good. So when you're doing this type of job, best thing to do is chain the belt, chain the other belt, and water pumps do fail on these, so it's all up to you. You could do it as like a package job there. So let's go inside the vehicle, start up this baby. Guys gonna see me more often nowadays because that's how these videos are gonna be. I don't hear the noise. That noise is gone, and this baby is running beautifully. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys on the next video, and bye bye.